I'm David Epps, Chief Technology Officer for Envision Construction. We're at a job site that we're going to be turning into a series of soccer fields. And we're going to be using a lot of LiDAR technology to kind of map and assess what the current existing conditions are and assess as we're building the project how it's all going to work. This particular site, we're actually tracking all the different dirt movement on this site. So we're using drones from an aerial standpoint to get that data. We're using a terrestrial laser scanner to scan at the frequency that makes sense, typically weekly. We can gather that even more accurate data from the ground, and we're combining all that data together to give us that kind of holistic view of all the whole job site. What that gives us is a look every single week about how much dirt has actually been shifted. At this phase of the project, we can come back and say, you shifted 2 tons of dirt, 8 tons of dirt, how many trucks have come on and off the job site, and that gives us a really clear look and a good certainty so we can count exactly how much we have remaining to do. Open spaces like this, I think, are better for the TLS. I can scan farther distance and get the data that I need farther along without having to walk all the way around the job site, but traversing through these trees, I'm going to use the Orbis all day long, and then I can combine that data together using Faro scene. So by doing that, I can use the best of both worlds and get the speed where I need it and get the accuracy where I need it, and then it all kind of comes together at the end. By leveraging LiDAR data on this job, and reality capture in general, we can gather millimeter accurate representations of the dirt that's there. We can quantify that, how it's coming and going, so we can figure out if we can use some of that dirt again, or we need to get rid of it all. So you can use the surface area LiDAR data for a lot of things just to measure, but we're trying to go a little bit farther than that and use it for a lot of different purposes.